Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix search and indexing problems in Windows 11. First method is click Start, Settings, click Troubleshoot, click Other Troubleshooters. Click Run under Search and Indexing. Second method is type Control Panel in Windows search bar, click Control Panel. Click Indexing Options. Click Advanced, click Rebuild. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.